Hello everyone, season's greetings to you all. Let us start discussing the model question paper for your CUET. Welcome. Many a times I taught you, so this is the line, here it is pi by 2, this is the point, pi by 2. Left less than, it is mx plus 1. Right greater than, that is sin x plus n. Should be continuous, means m into pi by 2 plus 1, that's the left limit, is equal to sin pi by 2 plus n. Sin pi by 2 is how much? 1. So, this 1 and 1 cancel, therefore, we have n is equal to m pi by 2, m pi by 2. n is equal to m pi by 2, that's your third one, is your answer. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. This is a question, then the value of x is. So, we have to evaluate, you can take one x out, okay. So, that is, this will become determinant, x into determinant 2, 3, 2, this will become 1, 1, 1, 4, 9, 1 plus 3 equal to 0. Well, so we can subtract what or you can make zeros also. That means you can subtract, this will become what there then here, x into, to reduce the number, that's all. So here it is, I say, if I subtract this 2, 3, 2 from here, it will become 2, it will become 6, this will become minus 1. And then 1, 1, 1 from here, it will become 1, 2, 1, then 1, 1, 1, plus 3. Now the number is reduced, expand it. So x into, 1 into minus 1, minus 6, minus 7. Minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2, that is minus 1, minus 2 means minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 into 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 2, that is 4 plus 3 equal to 0. Well, so it will become 6 at 10. So x plus this will become plus 6 for 10. X 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Your x is equal to minus 1. So the answer is 3. X is equal to minus 1. The answer is 3. Okay. Now we will move on to the next question. Question number 3, assertion reason. Well, this is a general instruction thereover. Okay. So 0 to pi by 2 cos x by sin x plus cos x is upper limit minus lower limit by 2. That means this will become pi by 2 minus 0 by 2. Which formula? Integral a to b f of x divided by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x. Always remember, b minus a by 2. This is cos x is here, cos of 90 minus x is this, that is it. So here 0 to pi by 2, sin x divided by sin x plus cos x, that's also pi by 2. Both are right, correct explanation. So that is A. Ready? On to the next, that is 3, that is 1. Next again, assertion, this is d by dx of, apply Leibniz rule, d by dx of this one. What is it? Substitute the upper limit in place of the variable. You remember? D by dx of integral 0 to x square dt divided by t square plus 4. Substitute the upper limit in place of the variable. 1 divided by x square the whole square plus 4 into derivative of the upper limit 2x minus then 0. So it is 2x divided by, this is equal to 2x divided by x raised to 4 plus 4. So 2x divided by x raised to 4 plus 4. So the assertion is right. Now dx divided by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Definitely that is right. So both are correct. R and true and R is the correct explanation. You can say that all right. Because of this the derivative will be. Okay. So here also, next. Let T5, T be the set of triangles in Euclidean plane, okay, plane of the, ARB is defined as, ARB is defined as, A is congruent to B, means two triangles, they are congruent to another triangle, okay. Then, reflexive but not transitive, so it's an equivalence relation, why? ARA means triangle A is congruent to triangle A. Triangle means triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC itself. Symmetric, ABC is congruent to PQR, then PQR will be congruent to ABC. So symmetric. Transitive, A is congruent to B triangle, B is congruent to C triangle. It means A is congruent to what there? C triangle. So it is reflexive, symmetric, as well as what there then? Transitive. Hence it is an equivalence relation. That is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Good. On to question number 6. Question number 6. The area of the region bounded by the x-axis, I think I myself discussed in some other papers also, y is equal to cos x, y is equal to sin x. You know, it's root 2 minus 1. Do you remember? So this one, root 2 minus 1. Why? This is cos x, 0 to pi by 2. And this is what there then? Sin x. We want what? The y-axis. Fine. This y-axis means this. Then sin x. All right. Sin x is already there. This is what sin x. Sin x. Then the other one is cos x. Fine. Well, we got it. This is 0. Both of them, sin x is equal to cos x. Sin x is equal to cos x. That means your x is equal to what there? Pi by 4. So this point is what there? Pi by 4. The area will be this much only. Okay. This is sin x. This is cos x. So required area is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4. X is equal to 0 to pi by 4. What their upper curve is what? Cos x. Cos x minus sin x dx. So it will become integral of cos x sin x. Integral of minus sin x, that is plus cos x. Within the limit 0 to pi by 4. Therefore 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 plus sin pi by 4. Upper limit minus sin 0 0, cos 0 is 1. Therefore 2 by root 2, root 2 minus 1. Alright. This you remember. Now they can ask you this part also. Then it is again 2 times root 2 minus this part. That is, this is called the pi by 2. The area, then what will be the question? Area enclosed by the curves y is equal to sin x, y is equal to cos x, and the ordinates, use the word, and the ordinates at x equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 2 means these two. 2 times this area. Remember that. Well, a ladder, okay, a ladder standing on a horizontal floor, okay. Okay, leans against a vertical wall. If the top of the ladder slides down at the rate 10 centimeter per second, then the 5 meter, look at this, 5 meter and 10 centimeter. So we will make it as 500, same unit. Well, this is the case. First of all, this is 500 and the ladder's top position was here, and after time t, this, let it be the position. This will be 500. Okay, let this be x. It goes down like, well, fine. And what will be this one now? It will become 500 minus x, this one. And this part I say y. This is the bottom movement, bottom point movement along this axis. Okay. What do you want there then? Then the rate at which the angle between the floor and the ladder, that means this one, floor and the ladder, that is this theta. So we want d theta by dt. Okay. What are we given? When the ladder is 2 meter from the wall. 2 meter from the wall means y is equal to 200 centimeter. Okay. Then we want at which the angle between this floor and the ladder is decreasing. D theta by dt. Alright, we want. What else is given? 10 centimeter per second is what there then slides downwards. Means dx by dt. dx by dt is equal to 10 centimeter per second. Okay. Well, we will find it out one by one. What is it? Sin theta or cos theta? Sin theta is equal to 500 minus x divided by 500. Ready? Then what do we have? This means cos theta into d theta by dt equal to minus dx by dt divided by 500. Or if you want, you can give this 500 here if you want, all right, or this is into 1 by 500. Which 500? Differentiating both sides, cos sin theta, cos theta d theta, cos theta into d theta by dt equal to 1 by 500 into 0 minus dx by dt. Fine. Dx by dt is how much given? 10 centimeter. Well, this will become minus 1 by 50. Minus 1 by 50. Okay. Because dx by dt is given as 10. Negative sign means it's decreasing, that is all. All right. So we have 1 unit. Then what else we want? We want y. All right. Then what will be cos theta from this triangle? Cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse, y divided by 500. So let us differentiate. Okay. Let us differentiate. This will be or cos theta. Cos theta. We want this one. Cos theta d theta by dt. All right. So this we will. Y is equal to 500 cos theta. Well. So what is this cos theta? Cos theta will become y by. So let us substitute over here. That means y divided by 500 into d theta by dt equal to minus 1 by 50. Agreed? So what is your y? Your y will become 200 at 200. Therefore, this is 200 divided by 500. Okay. Into d theta by dt equal to minus 1 by 50. Well, this 100 gone. This is also there 10. That means your d theta by dt is equal to minus 1 by 20. Now this is what? Radian per second. Radian per second. That's your minus 1 by 20. Minus 1 by 20 means decrease. And it is mentioned what there? Decrease in the order. Angle between them, rate at which is decreasing. Decreasing means minus not necessary to be taken. So 1 by 20 radian per second. That will be your answer. That is your question number 7. Well, move on to the next question. A and B are two events such that PA not equal to 0. Probability of B given A is equal to 1. Probability of B given A is B. Probability of B given A is equal to 1. What's the formula for probability of B given A? Probability of B intersection A divided by probability of A is equal to 1. What does it mean? Probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A. What's the meaning of it? A intersection B is A is a subset of B or B is a superset of. That means, okay, so probability, you got probability of A intersection B equal to probability of what there then? A. Clear? Now what is the meaning of it? That means A intersection B is equal to what there then? A. Means A is a subset of B. That's all. A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. 1 is your answer. Right. Question number 9. The value of sine inverse cos of 3 pi by 5. Sine inverse sine x. That x should lie in the principal value branch. Okay. First of all, I write this is sine inverse sine of pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 5. Cos theta is sine of pi by 2 minus this. Simplify. That is sine inverse 5 pi minus 6 pi. Sine of, we simplify, 5 pi minus 6 pi minus pi by 10. Minus pi by 10 lies between, this is minus pi by 10, which lies in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, close interval. Right. Minus pi by 10 is your answer. So that's your 9th question. On to the next question. Probability of A is a similar question. Probability of A given B is greater than A. Then which of the following is this? All right, true. Correct. Ask there. What is this? This is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B is greater than probability of A. This is what we have done now. Let's cross multiply now. That means probability of A intersection B greater than, I give this PB to right side, PA to the left side, divide by PA is greater than PB. What is this formula? This is probability of B given A. Probability of B given A is greater than probability of B. Look, straight away error. Probability of B given A is not equal. This is not. Probability of B given A is greater than P of B. So 3 is your answer. Here it is equal. Here it is equal. Clear? Simple. Formula we applied. We have transferred B to this, P of B to the left side, P of A to the right side. Angoda mati. Simplify. On to the next. Okay, question 11. Equation of the normal to the curve, okay, which is parallel to the line. What is the meaning of it? This is a curve. Here is a tangent. Here is a tangent. Then normal comes. This normal should be parallel to this line. Which is the line? X plus 3y equal to 8. Means slope of the normal is equal to slope of this line. So that is it. Parallel means slope of normal equal to slope of the line. Which line? Slope of x plus 3y equal to 8. Well, what's the slope of the normal? Minus dx by dy. So I'll find it out. 3x square minus y square equal to 8. Differentiate. 3 into 2x, that is 6x, minus 2y into dy by dx equal to 0. Isn't it? Therefore, what is your dy by dx? Your dy by dx will be equal to that side. That is 6x divided by 2y or 3x by y. Alright. So, this is minus dx by dy equal to, what's the slope of this line? Minus 1 by 3. Slope of this. Minus dx by dy, you tell me this is dy by dx. Dy by dx. So, minus will become minus y by, minus and minus cancel. So, we need not y by 3x. Y by 3x is equal to 1 by 3. What does it mean? X is equal to y. X is equal to y where? On the curve only. This line line somewhere else. Normal parallel. So, this will become 3x square minus y square equal to 8, where x is equal to y. X is equal to y. So, 3x square minus x square equal to 8 means 2x square equal to what? There 4. Means 2x square is equal to 8. Means x square is equal to what? There then 4. X square is equal to 4 means x is equal to plus or minus 2. What do you want? X is equal to plus or minus 2 means your y will also be plus or minus 2. Therefore, the point will be equal to plus or minus 2 comma plus or minus 2. We want the equation of the normal. What will be the equation of the normal? Equation of the normal is x plus 3y equal to 8 means we take equal to k. And it passes through the point what they are then plus or minus 2. That means plus or minus 2 plus 3 into plus or minus 2 equal to k. That means 2 plus 6, 8, minus 2 minus 6. So, k is equal to plus or minus 8. So, your answer will be x plus 3y parallel equal to plus or minus 8. You can transfer plus or minus 8 to left side also. X plus 3y. Plus or minus is transferred to the other side, minus or plus. Minus or plus also we say plus or minus. Right. Therefore, x plus 3y. So, your answer is this 3. X plus 3y. So, normal is parallel to this line. Any line parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is ax plus by equal to k. Alright. So, that is your answer. 3 is your answer. On to the next question. Consider the non-empty set consisting of children in a family and the relation R is defined as A or B. A child or child. A is the brother of. R means brother of. Okay. Yes, first of all, reflexive. We never say it is reflexive, isn't it? I am the brother of myself. Will I say? No, never. Okay, symmetric. A is the brother of B, then B is the brother of A. Not true. A is the brother of a girl, means sister. Suppose here we take what they are then? Family of children. Children means boy may be there, girl may be there. Suppose boy says that, yes, boy E-R-G. Boy is the brother of this girl, means sister. So, GRB will become what there then? Girl is the brother of. So, it's not symmetric. But what about transitive? A is the brother of B. And B is the brother of C. B should be a boy then. A is the brother, A is a boy. A is the brother of B means B must be a boy. B boy ആയിരിക്കണം അല്ലേ എങ്കിലേ അപ്പുറത്തെ ശരിയാവത്തുള്ളൂ. B is the brother of C. C can be boy or girl. So, C can be sister or brother. Then A is the brother of brother or sister. So, that's true. So, it is transitive. So, transitive but not symmetric. That is right. Alright. It's not reflexive, not symmetric, but transitive. Okay. Children of. Now, in a family of boys only, not children. So, there is no question of coming a girl over there. There it is symmetric. Definitely it is symmetric, but not reflexive. Okay. We'll move on to the next one. 13. The corner points, I think that you know many a times I told you also in these discussions, corner points of the feasible region are this one determined by Z is equal to this. Compare this quantity, that is 325. 325 we say the quantity in the column A is, the quantity in column A means that is nothing, this is out. The quantity in column B is greater, that means you have to find out the maximum. If this is the maximum or bigger than the maximum, it's okay. All right. So, Z you have to calculate. Z at 0, 0 we don't want. 0, 40 we take it 120, not necessary. 20, 40 means 20, 40. Each and everything I calculate. So, it will become 80 plus 120. It is 200 now. 60, 20. Now, 60, 20. 60, 20 means it will become 240 plus 3, 60. That is 300. And 60, 0, all right, that is then also, that is 60, 20 means 300. So, this is the maximum value. Z is maximum at 60, 20. Well, and what's the maximum value? 300. The quantity on column B is greater. It is bigger than, all right, this is right. It is even greater than the maximum value. Okay, the two quantities are equal. No, maximum of Z is greater than 3. The quantity in column B is greater. Okay. Well, the relationship cannot be determined on the basis. Column A, maximum of Z is smaller than B, or the quantity in column B is greater than the quantity in column A. So, 2 is your answer. 13th one, 2 is your answer. Got the point? Maximum value of Z is 300. Therefore, the number written in the column B is bigger than 300. It is bigger than the maximum of this. That's why quantity in column B is greater than the expression in column A. The value of this, see, whenever you are given a question for integration from minus A to plus A, check for even or odd. So, integral minus A to plus A odd function is always 0. X cube odd function. X cube is an odd function. Alright. X is odd, cos x is even, odd into even equal to odd. So, this is also odd. Tan raised to 5, tan x is an odd function raised to odd number, it is odd function. So, this part is 0, this part is also 0, then only 1. So, this I will become integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, 1 dx. Means 1 into upper limit minus lower limit. That's the answer very quickly. That's pi. Pi is your answer. 3 is your answer. X cube is odd function, 0, gone. X into cos x, odd into even, odd, 0. Tan, odd. Tan raised to odd number, odd. So, this part is odd. Then only 1. Okay, manakkanakkaayittu varanam. For 1 into upper limit minus lower limit. Edu property? Integral A to B, any constant dx will be equal to constant into upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. Now, next, distance of the point from y-axis. I myself discussed in many of CUET paper there. The y-axis means what then? This to cut. Root of alpha square plus gamma square. Answer. Okay. The value of sine inverse cos of 33 pi by 5. Similar question. 33 pi by 5 means 33 pi by 5. It is 6 pi. Okay. Plus 2 pi by 5. Am I right? 30 plus 2. Correct. 6 pi is nothing but what there then? 0. Means on the initial line. X-axis, positive x-axis. So, it's equivalent to 2 pi by 5. So, the question is sine inverse cos of 2 pi by 5. Now, we have done already sine inverse sine of pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 5. Okay. 5 pi minus, this is pi by 2 minus. How much is this? 5 pi minus 4 pi. Pi by 5. Pi by 10. Sine inverse sine of 5 pi minus 4 pi. Pi divided by 10. Pi by 10 is 18 degree, which lies in the principal value branch. It lies in the principal value branch minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That's a complete step. So, pi by 10 is your answer. 16 is your 3. 33. Oh, sorry. I have taken 32. So, 33 means that is 3 pi by 5. No problem. 3 pi by 5. So, I will write 3 pi by 5. I will write 3 pi by 5. So, it will become pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 5. 5 pi minus 6 pi. That is minus pi by 10. So minus pi by 10 also lies in 33 pi. I have taken 32, it's 33 pi. Okay, so minus pi by 10. Minus pi by 10 is this one, fourth one. Minus pi by 10, all right. Minus pi, fourth one. 32 pi by 5, it will be pi by 10. 33 pi by 5, it will be minus pi by 10. That's correct. Minus pi by 10. On to the next question. Question 17. This you can easily solve. You simplify. What's your y? Your y is equal to log a by b, logarithm of x square minus logarithm of e square. You know log natural e square? 2. So y is equal to 2 log x minus 2. Come on, dy by dx, that's equal to 2 by x. Then you want d square y by dx square, that's equal to minus 2 by x square. Your answer, minus 2 by x square. Okay, fourth one is your answer. Now on to 18. 17 is fourth one. Okay, 18. If the curve ay plus x square equal to 7 and x cube y cut orthogonally means angle between them is 90 degree. Angle between them is 90 degree means slope of the tangent at the point of intersection, their product should be equal to minus 1. M1 into M2 minus 1. At the point, this is secret on the trick. This curve, this point is 1, 1. കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളൊന്നും ചെയ്യണ്ട. ഈ 1, 1 ഈ കർവിലെ പോയിന്റ് ആയിരിക്കണം. അതായത് a into 1 plus 1 square should be equal to 7. That means a is equal to 6. ഉണ്ടോ നോക്ക്. a is equal to 6. No need of solving it. Because this curve should pass through the point 1, 1. ഇനി അങ്ങനെയല്ല അത് വേറെ പോയിന്റ് അതായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് dy by dx of the first one at 1, 1 into dy by dx of the second curve at 1, 1 should be equal to minus 1. ഇത് ഫസ്റ്റ് കർവ്, ഇത് സെക്കൻഡ് കർവ്. അതാണ് എൻ്റെ മെത്തേഡ്, ഓർത്തോഗണൽ. ഇതൊന്നും വേണ്ട, വായിച്ചു നോക്കിയാൽ വ്യക്തമായിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാവും. a means 1, 1 should satisfy this. ഇപ്പോൾ a into y coordinate 1, 1 square. ഇത്രയുള്ള കാര്യം. Right. On to the next. 18th question. 18th the answer is 6. Okay. Question number 19. Well, A is there, B is given, matrices second order. Determine AB. What's the formula? Determine AB. Determine A into determinant B. Determinant of AB is equal to determinant A into determinant B. ഇനി എൻ്റെ help ഒന്നും വേണ്ട. Determinant A means what? 400 minus 500. 400 minus 500 into. This is what there, 150 minus what there, 80. കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്താട്ടെ. This is minus 100 into ഇതെത്രയാ 70. So minus 7,000. Fourth one is your answer. Minus 7,000. 70. I have written 700. No, it is 70. Minus 7,000 is your answer. Okay, fine. On to question number 20 next. A and B are two events such that probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. That's called PA union B. This much. This is the given thing. That's a formula for probability of A union B. Left side. Equal to probability of A. What's the meaning of it? That means A union B is equal to A. A union B is equal to A means what is A? A is the superset and B is the subset. It should be like this. Here is A, here is B. Therefore, A union B is equal to A. What is A intersection B? A intersection B is equal to B. For probability of A intersection B is equal to B. Probability of B. So, B is a subset of A. Alright. Okay. That implies probability of A intersection B is equal to what there then? P of B only. Now, what do you want? You have got. Okay. What is the formula? Let us divide probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B will be equal to 1. Whose formula is it? Conditional probability. That means probability of A given B is equal to 1. Probability of A given B is equal to 1. Probability A given B. That is 2. Second option. Probability of A given B is equal to 1. 20 is 2. Clear? So, if PA union B is equal to PA. A union B is equal to A. So, A is a superset, B is a subset. Therefore, A union B is equal to A intersection B is B. Simplified. Question 21. Sine of the angle between the straight line and the plane. Okay, angle between line and line, cos theta. Angle between plane and plane, cos theta. Angle between line and plane, sin theta. Even if it is not asked, you will get only sin theta. The sine of the angle is given. That is sin theta. What's the formula for sin theta? N dot B divided by modulus N into modulus B. That's all. Okay. X, Y is the first thing. This okay akanam. Okay. Above B is equal to 3, 4, 5. That means your vector B is equal to denominator 3, 4, 5. And vector N, normal, that the coefficients of X, Y, Z, 2, minus 2, 1. Tell me sin theta. N dot B, 6 minus 8 plus 5. A1, A2. N dot B divided by modulus N into modulus B. Modulus N means root over 9 plus 16 plus 25. Okay. Into root over 4 plus 4 plus 1. 4 plus 4 plus 1. So sin theta is equal to, it is 11 minus 3, that is 3. 6 minus 8, all right, 11 minus that is 3. And this is equal to what there? 5 root 2. 5 root 2 and this will become 3. That is 1 divided by 5 root 2. Sine of the angle is asked there. 1 divided by 5, 3 and 3. N dot B by modulus N into 3, 4, 5 is X, Y, Z. All right, 2 minus 2, 1. This is 6 minus 8 plus 5. 6 minus 8 plus 5. So it will be 3 and 3, 1 by 5 root 2. 1 by 5 root is correct. You can multiply by a root 2. Root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 divided by 10. Okay. Root 2 divided by 10. That's correct. Root 2 divided by 10. This is given in 4. Root 2 divided by 10. On to the next. Area of the region bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y. Parabola opening upwards. And the straight line x equal to 4y minus 2. You know, you can easily solve this. Okay. What's the graph? This is the x square is equal to 4y means parabola opening upwards. This is x square equal to 4y. Then x is equal to 4y minus 2. We put y equal to 0, then x is equal to what there? Minus 2 somewhere here. Okay. This is minus 2 comma 0. And putting y equal to, x equal to 0, your y will become 1 by 2. So this is a line. This is the area. From this point, you have to drop a perpendicular. From this point also, you have to drop a perpendicular. So we have to solve. Solve means both are 4y. Look. From here, 4y is equal to x plus 2. And here, x square is equal to 4y. X square is equal to 4y. So, it is x square is equal to x plus 2. Okay. Or x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2. X equal to. So, this is minus 1, this is 2. Required area, you tell me? Required area is equal to integral minus 1 to 2. Y of the straight line, minus integral minus 1 to 2 y of the parabola. So both are same. So I say integral minus 1 to 2. What's the y of the straight line? Y of the straight line I have already written x plus 2 divided by 4 minus y of the parabola, you tell me x square by 4. Okay. So we can take 1 by 4 outside and x integral x square by 2 plus 2. That is 2x minus x square, x cube by 3 within the limit minus 1 to 2. That's all. Substitute now. 1 by 4 into 2 square by 2, that is 4. 4 by 2. 2 square by 2 means 4 by 2, 2. Plus 2 into 2, 4. Minus 8 by 3. Okay. Minus. We substitute minus 1 for the lower limit. That will become 1 by 2 minus 2 plus 1 by 3. That's what you have to calculate. That you please calculate. You get the answer, that is 22nd answer. That will be 9 by 8 square unit. 9 by 8 square units. This you can calculate. 6 and this, alright, this will come plus 2, 8 minus, so 9 by 8 square units. Ready? Got the point? This is minus 1 to 2. This is, alright. We will move on to the next question. 22nd is all right. That's right. 9 by 8. Calculation usual. On to the next. The value of the determinant is, we will have to calculate, you know, B plus C and A is here. C plus A and B is here. A plus B and C is there. To C2, C2 plus C3. So you get A plus B plus C. So we will get an A plus B plus C out. Correct? And one more thing, this determinant I can write A, B, C. First column, split it. B plus C, C plus A plus B. Then A, B, C minus, these are all minus, B, A. Then B plus C, C plus A plus B. A, B, C. This is 0 now. It's minus of this only. One more thing is there. You can substitute certain values for A, B, C. You can give what there then A equal to 0, B equal to 1, C is equal to 1. Then 0, 1 plus 1, 2. This will become 0. So it will become 0, 1 plus 1 minus 0. I think that it is A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1 is better. You can substitute and you can select also. No need of solving it. So select a certain particular value so that there should not be any tie in the options. Option tie വരാൻ പാടില്ല. അപ്പോൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് കിട്ടും. അപ്പോൾ A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to 1 ഇടും. Substitute. But this is very simple. ഇനി നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറഞ്ഞേ? To C2 plus C3. അപ്പോൾ ഈ determinant delta will become, this is minus. ഇവിടെ B, A. C2 plus C3 ആകുമ്പോൾ ഇത് 1, 1, 1 ആവും. ഇത് A, B, C ആവും. ഇവിടെ ഇൻറ്റു ആര് വരും? A plus B plus C. ഓക്കെ. ഇനി നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാതെ സോൾവ് ചെയ്യാൻ. എങ്ങനെയാണ് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഏത് തരത്തിൽ വേണമെങ്കിലും ഈ ടു R1 മൈനസ് R2 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. മൈനസ് ഓഫ് A plus B plus C. ഇതിനാണ് ഒരുപാട് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ B ഇൻറ്റു വി റൈറ്റ് B ഇൻറ്റു ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടോ B ഇൻറ്റു C മൈനസ് B minus 1 into AC minus AB. AC minus AB. Okay. Plus A into A minus A. 0. A into 0. Note B into C minus B. Minus 1 into AC minus what there? AB. AC minus AB. A into A minus A. Well, that's all. It is what there then? Minus of A plus B plus C into. This is BC. And this is minus B square. This will become minus AC plus AB. Okay. None of this. It's not this, not this, not this. So the answer is none of this. Or else you can put what there? A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to some 0 or whatever you like. Question 24. In a box containing 100 bulbs, 10 are defective. So this is the box. 10 defective. 90 defective bar means good. 10 defective. The probability that out of a sample of 5 means that is binomial distribution. That is n is equal to 5. Sample of 5. Remember, not this 100 or something like that. That is only necessary to find out the probability. None is defective means probability of defective D equal to 0. So x means number of defective. So what will be the binomial distribution? Probability of x is equal to NCX, P raised to x, Q raised to n minus x. What is our P? P means probability of defective. Probability of defective means 10 by 100, means 1 by 10. Therefore, Q will be 1 minus P, that is equal to 9 by 10. Well, you want P0. Okay. NCX means what? 5C0. Into P, probability of this one, 1 by 10 raised to 0. Defective means no defective, isn't it? None is defective, so that is 0. Into, what is Q? 9 by 10, the whole raised to what there then? 5 minus 0. The answer is 9 by 10, the whole raised to 5. Your answer. 9 by 10, the whole raised to 5. Third one is answer. Now another method also I will show you. Probability of no defective in 5. That means probability of defective bar, defective bar, defective bar, defective bar and defective bar. First is not defective, second is not defective, third etc. This is into 1. The arrangement is only one way. What's the probability of non-defective? 9 by 10. 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 5 times. 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. That's the answer I wrote there. This is without binomial distribution, only probability. 9 by 10, the whole raised to 5. Okay. We want the next, 25. 23, we have 25. The degree of the differential equation, very simple, because this is sine of dy by dx given. That's an infinite series. And order is 2. Degree also could have been 2 had this been what there, the no sign. Sign allangil. അതങ്ങൊരു ഇൻഫൈനൈറ്റ് സീരീസ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് മീൻസ് നമ്മൾ ഡിഗ്രി ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന എപ്പോഴായാലും ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് എ ഫൈനൈറ്റ് പോളിനോമിയൽ. ഷുഡ് ബി എ ഫൈനൈറ്റ് പോളിനോമിയൽ. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഫൈനൈറ്റ് പോളിനോമിയൽ അല്ല. ഇപ്പോൾ സൈൻ എക്സിൻ്റെ സീരീസ് എന്താ? എക്സ് മൈനസ് എക്സ് ക്യൂബ് ബൈ 3 ഫാക്ടോറിയൽ പ്ലസ് എക്സ് റൈസ് ടു 5 ബൈ 5 ഫാക്ടോറിയൽ എക്സെട്ര. അപ്പോൾ ഫൈനൈറ്റ് പോളിനോമിയൽ അല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് ഈവൻ ദോ ദ ഡിഗ്രി ഈസ് വെരി സ്മോൾ, ഈ ഡിഗ്രി ചെറുതായാലും ശരി, അപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഫൈനൈറ്റ് പോളിനോമിയലിൽ മാത്രമേ നമ്മൾ ഡിഗ്രി പറയുള്ളൂ. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഡിഗ്രി ഈസ് നോട്ട് ഡിഫൈൻഡ്. എന്നാൽ ഈ സൈൻ ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല, വെറും dy/dx ആയിരുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾക്ക് ഡിഗ്രി ഇത് ഓർഡർ ഉണ്ട്. ഓർഡർ ഈസ് ദെയർ. ഓർഡർ ഈസ് ദ ഓർഡർ ഓഫ് ദ ഹയസ്റ്റ് ഓർഡർ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ്. ഓർഡർ 2 ആണ്. ഈ സൈൻ ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡിഗ്രി എന്തായിരുന്നേനെ? ഡിഗ്രി വിൽ ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു 2 ആയേനെ. സൈൻ ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ, സൈൻ അല്ലാതെ. ഇപ്പോൾ e⁻² ആയാലും അങ്ങനെയില്ല. ഓക്കെ. The set of points where this function f is given by 26. So 25 means all right. Answer is 4. Okay. 25 answer is 4. Right. 25 means all right. The point where is set of points where the function is not set of points where the function given by is differentiable. Differentiable means r minus not differentiable. You know, this is continuous everywhere, modulus, because for every value of x, this fx is defined. Now this 2x minus 1, you know, that is not defined, that is not differentiable at x is equal to where? 1 by 2. How come that 1 by 2? 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So this is not differentiable. Not differentiable at 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 by 2. അങ്ങനെ x equal to 1 by 2 പറയുന്നത് കേട്ടോ. 2x. And sin x, you know, it's differentiable everywhere. Continuous as well as differentiable everywhere. So this is the point where it is not at all differentiable. Therefore, it is differentiable means set of all r except half. R minus set half. That is called your answer. That is second option is your answer. Ready? Not differentiable at x equal to half. Continuous everywhere. 27. The equation of tangent to the curve where it crosses the x-axis. Crosses the x-axis means put y is equal to 0. Put y equal to 0. Put y equal to 0. Why? Crosses the x-axis. So y is equal to 0 means, you know, this 0 is equal to 2 minus x implies x is equal to 2. Therefore, the point is 2 comma 0. So point is obtained. Equation of the tangent, you know, dy/dx. So how do we find out dy/dx? What we do is this, we can differentiate straight away. Y into I apply, I don't find out 2 minus x divided by 1 plus x. അങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നില്ല. അത് പിന്നെ കോഷ്യൻ റൂളൊക്കെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. ഇത് ഈസി ഡിഫറൻഷിയേഷനാണ്. പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് റൂൾ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. y into derivative of 1 plus x square, that is 2x. Okay. Because your y is 0. No need of writing that also. Plus 1 plus x square into what there then? dy/dx equal to derivative of 2 minus x minus 1. ദാ ഈ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ പുട്ട് ചെയ്തേ 2x equal to 2, x equal to 2, y equal to 0. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഈ പാർട്ട് പോയി 0. അപ്പോൾ x എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇത് 4, 5 into dy/dx equal to minus 1. So slope of the tangent is equal to what there? Minus 1 by 5. Well, you want equation of the tangent. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That's the equation of the tangent. y1 is what? Y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 5 into x minus 2. Simplify the, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ 5y equal to minus x plus 2. That is x plus 5y equal to 2. X plus 5y equal to first option. Your answer. First option. Ready? Question number 27. Y minus. Yes, 5y equal x plus 5y. X plus 5y. Right. Oh. These two options, there is a tie. There is a tie. Question number 27. Both are same. Anyway, 1 or 5. Okay. Sorry for the printing error. Right. Now on to 28. If a relation R on the set 1, 2, 3 be defined as this one. There is only one element, that too 1, 2, therefore it is transitive. It's only transitive. It is not reflexive because 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 are not there. It is not symmetric because 1, 2 is there, but 2, 1 is not there. So it is transitive. Every singleton element relation is transitive. Okay. Had this been 1, 1, it is symmetric also. So it is transitive. The distance of the plane plane this from the origin. You look 2, 3, 6 Pythagorean triplet. Root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is 36 plus 9 plus 4, that is 49. So this is r dot, actually this is r dot n cap is equal to d. So d is equal to 1, d means distance from the origin, 1 is your answer. 1 is your answer. Because this is n cube, you could identify that is n cube. Otherwise what they are then? Actually this is 2 by 7 x plus 3 by 7 y plus minus 6 by 7 z minus 1 equal to 0. Then second method, if you could not identify. So distance from origin is modulus of d divided by distance by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Modulus of d means modulus of minus 1 by root of your a square plus b square plus c square, that becomes 1. That's the answer, 1. So 29, your answer is 1. Now on to the next. The value of tan of half cos inverse root 5 by 3. Many a times I told you, inverse trigonometry, inside a trigonometry, put what that is equal to what there? Theta. Inverse trigonometry is equal to theta. So we put what there? Cos inverse root 5 by 3 equal to theta. Therefore, cos theta is equal to root 5 by 3. Immediately we draw the triangle theta. Adjacent side is root 5. Hypotenuse is 3. And this opposite side will become 9 minus 5. That will definitely it is what there? 2. It will be 2. Correct? 4 plus 5, 9. That is correct. That's everything. Now what's the question? Question means I have taken cos inverse root 5 by 3 as this is tan of theta by 2. Tan of theta by 2. You know cos theta. Tan of theta by 2, how do we write in terms of cos theta? Cos theta, how do you write? This is sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. Okay. What is sin theta by 2 formula? It is root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by, what is this now? Root of 1 plus cos theta by 2 by 2. Cos theta by 2, tan theta by 2. Alright, this is cos theta, sorry. 1 plus cos theta. Well, so root of 1 minus cos theta by, so this will become root over 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Look at your cos theta, the triangle was also not necessary. That is root over 1 minus root 5 by 3 divided by 1 plus root 5 by 3. That you simplify, root over 3 minus root 5 divided by 3 plus root 5. And what's the way it is given? 3 minus. Let us rationalize what there then? The denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Means how do we rationalize? We multiply and divide by root over 3 minus root 5. Okay. Root over 3 minus root 5. We rationalize. So the numerator will become 3 minus root 5. Divide by denominator, root of 9 minus 5. Okay, root of a square minus b square. 9 minus 5, 4. That's equal to 3 minus root 5 by 2. Do you have the answer? 3 minus root 5 by 2. Yes, second one. See, 3 minus root 5 by 2. Your 30th answer, 2 is the option. Fine. Now we will move on to 31. Integral cos 2x divided by sin x plus cos x the whole square. Trigonometry formula you should remember. Can you? What's the formula for cos 2x? So your I will be equal to integral cos square x minus sin square x whole divided by cos x plus sin x the whole square. Whole square means cos x plus sin x into cos x plus sin x. One more. This is a square minus b square, that is a dx. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, 1 a plus b cancel. So it will become cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. Ready? What's the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x here. What's the derivative of sin x? Here, plus cos x. So this is integral f dash x divided by f of x straight away. So logarithm of f of x plus c. That's equal to logarithm of your denominator, means cos x plus sin x plus c. Derivative of cos x plus sin x is cos x minus sin x. How come? Derivative sin x plus x. This is cos x, this is minus sin x. Alright. So logarithm of sin x plus cos x. So 2 is your answer. 2 is your answer. 31, 2. Okay. On to the next. The maximum number of equivalence relations on the set of 3 elements, 5. 3 elements, remember. That is maximum number of equivalence relation. Equivalence relation is equal to number of partitions of the set. Number of partition. That's the reason I told you. Number of partition of the set. So 3 elements partition. You can use permutation formula also. 3 elements partition will be equal to 5. You remember that only because the examination is coming. So that 5 elements, suppose they give you 4 elements, 4 elements. Suppose there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. In the set 4 elements, it will become 15. This I have calculated. Now 5 elements. That will be 25. Partition. Okay? So I get. Not more than 4 will be asked. Anyway, 5 also. So, maximum number of equivalence relation on a set of 3 elements, that is 5. Maximum number of equivalence relation on a set of 4 elements, that is 15. Keep in mind. And maximum number of equivalence relation on a set of 5 elements, that is 25. Okay? Well, move on to the next. The mean of the numbers obtained on throwing a die having written 1 on 3 faces. Okay, 3 ones are there. Actually, this is 1, 1, 1. 2 on 2 faces, 2, 2. And 5 on all the 6 faces. So, probability of 1 is equal to 3 by 6. Probability of 2, that's equal to 2 by 6. Probability of 5, that's equal to 1 by 6. What do you want? Mean of the numbers. Alright. Well, we know this is our x. X means 1, 2, 5. The numbers written on the face of the die. Okay. And the corresponding probabilities. Probability of 1, I told you 3 out of 6. Means let us take 3 by 6 only. Next is 2 by 6. Next is what there 1 by 6. What's the formula for arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean or simply mean or expectation. It's also called expectation. Expectation or expected number of successes. What's the formula? Sigma x into p of x. Sigma x into p of x. So you have to frame one more column. X into p of x. X into p of x. So we frame. ഈ രണ്ട് കോളോടെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ 3 by 6, പിന്നെ ഇവിടെയോ 4 by 6, ഇവിടെയോ 5 by 6. Okay, total 7, 12. 12 by 6. This is called sigma. 12 by 6 means 2. So your answer is what there? 2. So 2 is your answer. 2. Well, one more thing it is asked, variance. What's the formula for variance? Variance is sigma square. That is sigma x square into p of x minus mu square. Mu square, this is really called mu. That's called mu. That means or sigma x square into p of x minus sigma x into p of x the whole square. ഇതേപോലെ ഒരു കോളം കൂടെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കണം. എന്താണത്? x square into p of x. x square into p of x കാണാൻ എക്സും ഈ എക്സ് പി എക്സോടെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. എന്നിട്ട് അത് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക. അതാണ് സിഗ്മ x square into p of x. സോ വേരിയൻസോട് ഓർത്ത് വെച്ചോളുക ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റിനോട് കൂടി. Well, 33 is 2. Okay, fine. 34. This y into this, then y is a solution of this. Y is a solution of this one. That you can find out. Alright, your dy by dx is equal to, please, dy by dx means you calculate what there? E raised to minus x into minus a sin x plus b cos x plus first into derivative of the second plus minus e raised to minus x derivative of the first into. It is a cos x plus b sin x. Correct. You can take what there then? E raised to minus x into cos x we take common there. Cos x when we take cos x, this will become b minus a cos x. Okay. Plus. Next will become, how many sin x are there? Sin x will be, that will be minus. Minus of a plus b sin x. Ready? Then your d square y by dx square, you should calculate. That is, here also again the same, e raised to minus x into derivative of this, that is minus of b minus a into sin x minus of a plus b into cos x. So, derivative first into derivative second plus e second bracket into e raised to minus x. എന്നിട്ട് കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക. Alright, ഇതിൻ്റെ differential equation solve ചെയ്യുന്ന വേറെ മെത്തേഡാണ്. So, you have to eliminate, get this eliminated. So, the differential equation for this, that's why y is a solution of this. Your answer will be, this is which one? 34. 34, 3 is the correct answer. D square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx. So, I have calculated dy by dx, calculate d square y by dx square, please substitute over there. For dx square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus 2y, that will be 0. And this is the differential equation of the curve y is equal to this. A is a parameter, b is a parameter, 2 times you should differentiate. Okay, that's the method. On to question number 35. The probability of obtaining an even prime number on each die. What is even prime number? 2, 2. On each die, when a pair of dice is rolled. That means even prime number sample point is 2, 2 only. Therefore, m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 36. Probability will become 1 by 36. So, 1 by 36, 4 is your answer. 4 is your answer. 35, your answer is 4. Correct. Even prime number. What will be the prime number? Suppose probability that both are prime. Both are prime. This is even prime asked. Then 2 and 2, that's only possibility. 2, 2 only. Now, both probability that both prime, this also you try, both prime. Both prime means this will be 2, 2. Okay, first column you don't have. 1 is not a prime number. So, 2, 2, then you have 2, 3, then you have 2, 5. Alright, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. So, both prime means 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. Now, next will become 3, 3 also with this, all the 3. 4, nothing. 5, yes, there. So, that way both prime also you can calculate. Well, we move on to the next. 36. A and B, A, B, C are 3 vectors, alright, out of which the vectors B and C are non-parallel, fine. Alpha and beta are the angles which the vector A makes, vector A makes with the vectors B and C. Alpha and beta, okay. That means alpha is the angle between A and B, okay. Beta is the angle between A and C, fine. Respectively. And this is the vector equation given. Oh, there is no arrow at all. There is no arrow at all. Okay, there is no arrow. All right, we will do. What are we given? We are given A cross B cross C equal to B by 2. What's the formula for vector triple product? It is A dot C into B. First dot third into B minus A dot B into C equal to half of vector B. There is no C at all. Left side there is a C. It means 0 C. Compare the coefficients. It's a linear combination of B and C. Right side also a linear combination of B and C. Therefore, A dot C is equal to 1 by 2 and minus A dot B equal to what there? 0. What is meant by A dot B equal to 0? That is A is perpendicular to vector B. Angle between A and B is equal to 90 degree. This implies alpha is equal to 90 degree. A dot C, A, B, C are unit vectors. They are all unit vectors, cap and cap. So, this will become cos beta, angle between A. Cos beta is equal to half. Therefore, beta is equal to what there? 60 degree. What do you want? You want modulus of alpha minus beta. That is modulus of 90 degree minus 60 degree. That is equal to 30 degree. Your answer is 30 degree. 1 is your answer. 36, 1 is your answer. All right, fine. Well, we move on to the next. The distance of the point having position vector, fine. We will draw the figure. You can have formula also. It's a distance from a point to a line, I suppose. All right. We have the point position vector from the straight line passing through the point, fine. Here is the point. What is this point? Minus 1, 2, 6. Distance of the point having position vector, all right, from the straight line passing through this. This is what there then? 2, 3, minus 4. Okay. And parallel to means this is a vector. Parallel to means this vector. This vector is 6i plus 3j minus 4k. That's a vector. We want this distance. I say this is P. This given point A. So I join AP. And PM, that's a perpendicular distance. Now you can find what is AM. AM is a projection of AP on this vector. This is the vector B. This is called vector B. So first we calculate AM. AM is equal to projection of AP on 6i plus 3j minus 4k. What's the formula? AP dot. AP we will calculate. AP means what there? OP minus y. Minus 3i minus j then plus 10k. That's your AP. So it is vector AP dot 6i plus 3j minus 4k. Means vector AM divided by, for the AM, a projection of AP on this, root over this magnitude 36 plus 9 plus 16. That's all. AP dot, you tell me that will be minus 18, then minus 3, minus 40. AP dot. AP is this one. This is called AP. I didn't write that. Minus 3 into 6, that is minus 18, divided by root over, this is 61. Okay. 43, 53, that is, this is really root over 61. We take magnitude only, root over 61. Alright, 58 minus 3 means 61 by root 61. Well, I have calculated AM. Length AM we calculate. Now what else? Length AP. Length AP we have already calculated. AP. Length AP. Length AP is equal to root over 9 plus 1 plus 100. Length AP. Alright. Length AP is, that is 110. Root over 110. Well, you can find out PM. In the right triangle, in triangle AMP, tell me, your PM square is equal to, PM square is equal to AP square minus AM square. AP square is how much? 110. Minus AM square is what there? 61. How much is that? This is 40. Right. So you get the answer. You have the answer there. 110 minus 1 means that it will become what there? 51. Root over 51. Root over. PM is equal to this is 51, no? Root over 50. Root over 50. Root over 50 means, what's the answer given? First is root over 61, right? 110. All right, not 51. It is 49. Sorry. That's my mistake. That's calculation error only. Is 49. So therefore, PM is equal to root over 49. That's equal to 7. Correct. 110 minus 61. That will be what there then? 49. So 7 is your answer. 1 is your answer. Okay, you could have already. You can find the equation of the line and the distance from a point to a line. That is called the modulus of A1 minus A2 cross B divided by modulus of B. So cross product you have to calculate there. Here means with the dot product we have done. Projection of AP on this line. Line means this vector. That is called AM. So AM is calculated, then this distance also calculated. Pythagoras theorem is easier. Well, so y is equal to log of this, then dy by dx equal to, everybody knows it, log to the base e it is. So y is equal to what there? Logarithm of 1 minus x square minus logarithm of 1 plus x square. That is easy for you to differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to, what's the derivative? 1 by 1 minus x square into minus 2x. Minus 1 by 1 plus x square into 2x. Okay. So you can take a 2x out. When you take 2x out, this is minus, minus 1 minus x square. And this will become minus 1 plus x square. divided by 1 minus x raised to 4. When you take LCM, x square and x square cancel. So you have minus 4x divided by 1 minus x raised to 4. Minus 4x divided by 1 minus x raised to 4. You have the answer 2. Here question 38. Answer 2 is correct. 39. We'll move on to 39. A is a given vector, B is a given vector. A vector perpendicular to both A plus B and A minus B. If a vector, okay, has magnitude 12, then one such vector is. So we will find out A plus B and A minus B. We'll have to find out perpendicular means then we take the cross product, no problem. So we take A plus B. Tell me what is A plus B? 3i, that will become 4i. You have to check, you have to calculate. Plus 4j. Plus 0k, okay. So this is equivalent to this vector means A plus B, we want a cross product. So this is equivalent to I take I plus j plus 0k. No need of taking a very big vector. I have taken this one because I am going to take the cross product. I need only direction, magnitude, etc. are given. That's the reason. Now this is A minus B, we take A minus B. A minus B, 3i minus, that is 2i. 2j minus, that is 0j. 2k minus, that will become plus 4k. That's also a big vector. So I take it as what they are, I plus 0j plus 2k. All right. Now we want a vector perpendicular to. So let V be the vector. V is equal to A plus B cross A minus B. A plus B cross A minus B. I have taken this one, so I take the cross product. Determine I, J, K. All right. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2. So I into 2, that will become 2i. I into 2 minus 0. Minus j into 2 minus 0. That's also minus 2j. Minus 2j. Plus k into 0 minus 1, minus k. So that vector is equal to 2i minus 2j minus k. Well, 2i minus 2j, the 2i minus 2j minus k. 2i minus 2j minus k. So the option is absolutely this. What will be the magnitude of this one? 3. We want the magnitude of what? The magnitude 12. Therefore, the required vector is required vector. Required vector is 12 v cap. Magnitude should be 12, then unit vector. 12 v cap means 12 into, we will take it as 2i minus 2j minus k divided by root of 4 plus 1. This 3 cancel. 4 into 2i minus 2j minus k. What's the other vector? That will be 4 into, it can be minus 2i plus 2j plus k. This is also one of the answers. Because it can be outward drawn normal or inward drawn normal. Okay. So the first one is your answer, 39. This one is your answer. Okay. Now we will move on to the next question, 40. Sum of distinct real values of mu for which the vectors are coplanar. What's the condition? Vectors are coplanar. Determinant A dot B cross C. Box product 0. Mu 1 1. 1 mu 1. 1 1 mu. This determinant should be equal to 0. That's it. That's the case. Okay. Mu 1 1. 1 mu 1. 1 1 mu. Calculate. So this implies mu into mu square minus 1. Mu into minus 1 into mu minus 1 mu minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus mu. Okay. So this implies mu into mu minus 1 into mu plus 1, first one, minus of mu minus 1 minus of mu minus 1 equal to 0. We take a mu minus 1 common. Mu minus 1, mu is equal to 1. What do you want? Sum of all distinct. Okay, all values we have to. So it will become mu square plus mu. This is taken. Here is a minus 1, here is a minus 1 equal to 0. So mu is equal to 1, one answer. Next is mu square plus mu minus 2 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. What are the roots? Roots are 1 and minus 2. This is mu will be equal to 1 and minus 2. So the values of mu will be 1, 1, minus 2. So it will be sum of all values will be, actually this is a repeated root, but the 3 roots are there. Sum of all the 3 roots, 1, 1. So sum will be 1 plus 1 minus 2, it should be 0. So the answer will be 2. 40, the answer is 2, right? Is it distinct values? Oh. Sum of distinct real values of, distinct real values means this is sum of all values, sum of all values of. So distinct is there, distinct. Distinct means mu is equal to 1, mu is equal to minus 2. Okay. Therefore, sum of distinct values will be, sum of distinct values will be 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So here distinct is asked, then it is minus 1, not this. This is sum of all values. This is what I would like to tell. Sum of all values will be 0. Sum of distinct real values of mu, that will become 1 and minus 2 only distinct. But there are 3 roots. Okay, then it will become minus 1. Here it is minus 1. 40 it is right. Now on to 41. So you can, the feasible solution of LPP is shown here. You know, your Z is equal to what there then? 3x minus 4y. No point of wasting time from my end. That is Z that you know 0, 0 you have to calculate. It is 0. Z that please calculate 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0 is 3 into 5 minus 0. That's equal to 15. Like that Z that what there then 4 comma 10. 4 comma 10 if I do calculate it will become 12 minus 40. Okay. That is equal to what there minus 28. And if I do take Z that say 0 comma 8, it will become 0 minus 32, that is minus 32, still it is smaller. Minimum value obtained that, so it is maybe 0 comma 8. 6 comma 8 etc. will be bigger. So that is 2 is the correct option. That is similarly you can calculate. You can find out the maximum value also. Alright, you should find out. I think it is also coming in some other question. So this part. Now alpha is a vector 42. This is alright, this is B and this, here also A and B there. B2, beta is another vector, B2 given vectors. A and B are non-collinear vectors, fine. The value of lambda for which the vectors alpha and beta are collinear. Alpha and beta are collinear. Look, alpha is parallel to beta. Collinear means in vectors that we say. Then the easiest thing is this, the corresponding coefficients are proportional. Alpha is expressed in terms of A and B. Beta is also expressed in terms of A and B. Therefore, they are collinear means parallel means the corresponding coefficients are proportional. Therefore, lambda minus 2 divided by 4 lambda minus 2 equal to 1 divided by 3. That is all. Coefficient of A by coefficient of A equal to coefficient of B by coefficient of B. Come on. 3 lambda minus 6 is equal to 4 lambda minus 2. Lambda is taken to this side. That is minus 6 plus 2 is equal to lambda. So lambda is equal to minus 4. Your answer. Very quickly. Your answer 42 to 42. That is one option 1 is correct. Okay, fine. Let fx is equal to modulus of sin x. You know, it is Malayalam നമ്മൾ പറയുമ്പോൾ റാ വരയ്ക്കുന്ന പോലെ ഇരിക്കും എൻ്റെ ഗ്രാഫ്. You all know. Modulus of. So it is x-axis, y-axis. Modulus of sin x is like this. It's periodic with the period pi. It's periodic. 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. It's periodic with this one. F is everywhere differentiable. No. F is not differentiable at x is equal to n pi. So where there is a sharp bend or cusp, the function is not differentiable. And this is 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. F is everywhere continuous but not differentiable at x equal to n pi. That is what it is. So the answer is this. Continuous everywhere but not differentiable at 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, minus pi, etc. That's why n pi. So it is 43. The second option is right. Fine. You all know. Similarly, modulus of cos x. Modulus of cos x, the graph will be like this. ഒന്ന് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ഷിഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം ഇങ്ങോട്ട് അല്പം പൈ ബൈ 2 കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് മൈനസ് പൈ ബൈ 2. ദിസ് പോയിന്റ് ഈസ് പൈ ബൈ 2. സോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് ഡിഫറൻഷ്യബിൾ അറ്റ് 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Odd multiples of pi by 2. Pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, etc. Y is equal to modulus of cos x. Y is equal to modulus of cos x. Okay, അങ്ങനെ വേണം പഠിക്കാൻ. ഒരു modulus of sin x മാത്രം പഠിച്ചാൽ പോരാ. Modulus of cos x എന്താണെന്ന് നോക്കണം. And you know, one more point. What's the area of this one ra? It is always 2 square unit. That is integral 0 to pi modulus of sin x dx. That is 2 always. Keep in mind. Okay. The integrating factor of the differential equation, you know, it is the integrating factor. This is the differential equation. So we divide throughout by cos x. So this is also cos x. Integrating factor means e to the power integral p dx. P means this is called p. That's equal to e to the power integral sin x divided by cos x. Okay. Sin x divided by cos x means derivative of cos x is minus sin x. We give a minus sign. So f dash x by fx. So e to the power minus log cos x. What is done by minus log cos x there then? Cos x 1 by cos x or cos x to the power minus 1 by cos x is what? Sec x. So 3 is your answer. E to the power minus log x means 1 by x. E to the power minus 2 log x means x to the power minus 2 means 1 by x square. Okay. So 44 the answer is 3. On to 45. The direction cosines of a line are kk. What's the condition for direction cosines? Sum of their squares should be equal to 1. They are direction cosines, remember. Therefore, you have k square plus k square plus k square should be equal to 1. That is 3k square is equal to 1. Your k should be equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. So that is why your k is 1 by root 3 or minus 1 by root 3. Sum of squares of the DC should always be equal to 1. 45, the answer is 4. On to 46. Area of the triangle with the vertices this and this is 9 square units. Then you can easily solve. So area is 9. That means area is always modulus. Therefore, remember one thing. Your delta will be modulus of 9. What's the formula? Half into determinant. Yeah, first point minus 3 0. Below you write second point plus. Next will become 3 0. Next point 0k. Plus this 0k and first point minus 3 0. This will be equal to modulus of 9. Okay. This is 0. 2 is this is 3k. This will become 3k. So 6k equal to plus or minus 18. Therefore your k will be plus or minus 3. K will be plus or minus 3, can be 3 only. Okay. K is equal to this is 46. Your answer is 2. Option 2. Right. That is correct. So that is k is equal to plus or minus 3. That's the answer. Plus or minus 3 is the answer. Can be plus 3 as well as minus 3. Because area is always modulus of this. 47. Question number 41. Maximum of Z occurs at. Alright. 41 we have to. 41 I told you. This is 41. Here you have to find out the maximum. Okay. You can calculate which is the biggest one there then. It is 6 comma 8. What will be 6 comma 8? 6 comma Z at 6 comma 8 will be 18 minus 32. It's again negative. 6 comma 5. 18 minus 20 minus 2. Right. So it is 47 you want. So maximum at 5 comma 0. It is coming at 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0. Z is 5 comma 0. It will become 3 into 5. 15 minus 0. That is positive 15. These are all negative. Minus 32. Here also. Oh, I have already calculated. This is maximum. 0 comma 8 is also 0 comma 8 means that is negative. Minus 32. Ready? Okay, that is your 45, 46, 47. That is at 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0 is the point there then. It is 5 comma 0, first option. Now on to 48. Well, on her birthday, Seema decided to donate some money to children of an orphanage home. Okay. If there were 8 children less, everyone have got 10 rupee more. Okay. However, there were 16 children more. Everyone would have got 10 rupees less. Let the number of children, alright, number of children equal to x. Okay. Amount of money distributed to each child, one child. Amount per child. That is y. Fine. Now you tell me. Had there been 8 children less, means 8 പേരുടെ കുറവ്. That means x minus 8. then they would have got 10 rupee more. ഓരോരുത്തർക്കും കിട്ടുന്നത് y plus 10. പക്ഷേ y rupees ആണ് ഓരോരുത്തർക്കും കൊടുക്കുന്നത്, x ആണ്. ഇത് should be equal to xy. x കുട്ടികളുണ്ട്, y രൂപ ഓരോരുത്തർ കൊടുക്കുന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ ടോട്ടൽ xy ആണ്. പറയാ ഇത് ഈ കുട്ടികൾ ഇത്ര പേര് കുറവായിരിക്കുന്നതിൽ എനിക്ക് ഇത്ര കൂടുതൽ കൊടുക്കാമായിരുന്നു. അതാണ് ദേ ആർ ഈക്വൽ. ഇതാണ് പോയിന്റ് കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ ഓർക്കണ്ടേ. ഇനി അടുത്തൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ. ഹൗ ആർ ഇഫ് ദ ചിൽഡ്രൻ വേർ 16 മോർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ x plus 16 16 പേര്. അപ്പോൾ ഓരോരുത്തരുടെ വിഹിതം കുറഞ്ഞു. സോ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദാറ്റ്? ലെസ് 10 rupee ലെസ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് y minus 10. അപ്പോഴും അത് xy തന്നെയാണ്. എമൗണ്ട്, കുട്ടികളുടെ എണ്ണവും മാറുന്നില്ല, എമൗണ്ടും മാറുന്നില്ല. അങ്ങനെ ചിന്തിച്ചേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഇവർ ഇത്ര പേര് കുറഞ്ഞിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് ഇത്രയും കൂടുതൽ കൊടുക്കാമായിരുന്നു, ഇത്ര കൂടിയായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഇത്ര കുറച്ചേ കൊടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ ഈക്വൽ. ദിസ് ഈസ് ടു ബി സിംപ്ലിഫൈഡ്. ലുക്ക്, ഓപ്പൺ ദ ബ്രാക്കറ്റ്. ദിസ് ഈസ് xy plus 10x minus 8y minus 80 is equal to xy. xy ക്യാൻസൽ. അടുത്തോടെ ഞാൻ അങ്ങ് ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യാം. xy minus 10x plus 16y minus 160 minus 160 equal to xy. ഇവിടെ xy ക്യാൻസൽ. ഓൾ റൈറ്റ്. 10x ഈ 80 അപ്പുറത്ത് കൊണ്ടുപോയി. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു 5x minus 4y equal to 40. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1. അപ്പോൾ 10x minus 8y is equal to 80. നമ്മളൊരു 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തു. ഇവിടെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്? ഇതിനെ അപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോകും. അപ്പോൾ 10x minus 16y. അപ്പോൾ അത് 5x minus 8y equal to minus 80. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 2. -2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാം. അപ്പോൾ 5x minus 8y ഇത് അപ്പുറത്ത് കൊണ്ടുപോകുമ്പോൾ പ്ലസ് ആവും. അപ്പോൾ -80. റൈറ്റ്. 5x minus 4y equal to 40. 5x minus. So 1 is your answer. Equation. The equation in terms of x and y. Fine. അടുത്ത ഇതേ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. ഇനി അതിനകത്ത് നമുക്ക് എഴുതേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, എന്താ നമ്മുടെ ആൻസർ കിട്ടിയത്? വി ഗോട്ട് ഇറ്റ് ആസ് 5x minus 4y equal to 40. 5x minus 4y equal to 40. അടുത്തത് 5x minus 8y equal to minus 80. That's what I think. 5x minus 8y equal to minus 80. ഇതിൻ്റെ മെട്രിക്സ് ഫോം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ മെട്രിക്സ് കോഎഫിഷ്യൻ 5 minus 4, 5 minus 8 into column matrix xy equal to column matrix 40 minus 80. So, which of the following equations represent the matrix form? So, ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ. 5 minus 4, 5 minus 8, 40, 80 അല്ല. 5 minus 4, 5 minus. So, 3 is your answer. 49, 3. 48, 1. Okay. 49, 3. That's correct. ഇനി എന്താ വേണ്ടേ? Now, 50. 50 means the number of children who were given. X is equal to what? We will solve. എങ്ങനെ വേണമെങ്കിലും സോൾവ് ചെയ്യാം. സോൾവ് ചെയ്യാം. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇത് നമുക്ക് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യാം. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഈസി ടു സോൾവ് ഐദർ ബൈ യൂസിങ് മെട്രിക്സ് മെത്തേഡ്, ബട്ട് ഐ സോൾവ് ഇൻ ദിസ് വേ. 5x and 5x is there. ജസ്റ്റ് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്ത് 5x minus 4y equal to 40. 5x minus 4y equal to 40. പിന്നീട് 5x minus 8y equal to minus 80. സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ ഇത് ഔട്ടായി 4y. 4y is equal to 120. So, y is equal to 30. അപ്പോൾ പെർ ചൈൽഡിന് 30 റുപ്പീസാണ്. നമുക്ക് എന്താ എക്സ് വേണ്ടേ? കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്താൽ 5x minus 120 equal to 40. That is 5x is equal to 160. ഏതാണല്ലോ അപ്പോൾ? x is equal to 32. But number of children is equal to, this is number of children. 32 is the number of children. The number of children given money. Okay, 32. That is all the 50 questions we have. Okay, study well. I wish you all the best. God bless. Bye.